Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Hidone Dentures. Those cheap full dentures you might have seen online. Are they helpful or just another internet scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on online research and personal opinions. I'm not a dentist or dental expert, just sharing what real users have experienced so you can make an informed decision. So let's start with the red flags. There's no official Hidon website anymore. All of them have disappeared. On Trustpilot, they've got just 11 reviews and 100% of them are 1 star. That's never a good sign. One reviewer said $80.50 for some dime store bullshit. Waited over a month. Now all their websites are down, sent 15 messages, zero response. Another wrote, these dentures were a joke, like wax lips, just plastic strips with carton teeth. It couldn't stay in your mouth even with super glue. Total scam. And over on Reddit, same story, people are reporting getting a couple of flat plastic strips and some beads instead of real dentures. One user even said, if I ever get what they advertise, I'll shout it from the rooftops, but I'm not holding my breath. For the final verdict or bottom line, Hidone Dentures seem to be a total scam. The product doesn't match the ads, customer service is non-existent, and most people just feel ripped off. If you're looking for affordable dental options, steer clear of this one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.